So, in San Francisco, California, streets of San Francisco roadside service. We are in 22nd Avenue towards the Sunset, giving a customer a jump start. And today is Wednesday, almost 9 o'clock in the morning. Hope you enjoy. So, it looks like they said it was going to rain, but basically, skies are not sunny or anything at all, but we'll see if it rains.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
So we are here, and yeah, the jump start. All right. Friday, we got some tip today. We got a tip. Already gone. Alright, so we helped the customer out and we're ready to go to the other one. It's kind of a little bit cold out here. We're going to head up down to downtown area and get the other jump start going. So yeah, it seems like it's gonna rain. Looks like it's dropping a little bit now. So, but yeah, so be careful out here in San Francisco streets because they're towing cars out here and they're charging you up the leg. And overcharging you guys when you guys take them to the impound. So be careful, make sure you keep an eye on your cars because they're towing them and they're charging a lot now, and they got in trouble. They got in trouble for overcharging and charging the customer more for taking out the car, gate fees, and all kinds of stuff. They finally caught up to them. So we'll see what happens this month. Just be careful when you leave your car out there, and be careful with the tow truck companies too, because I'm not talking about all the tow truck companies, but some are overcharging and taking your car, and yeah, so just be careful. But yeah, it's raining out here, and you know that they say it might rain for a couple of days, so get ready for the rain again. So yeah, so streets of San Francisco, hope you guys doing well. Subscribe and leave comments, thumbs up, thumbs down. Hope everybody's doing well, and take care. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching and supporting. We'll talk to you guys later.